Did you know how to use social media block? At first, go to the page where you want to put the social media icons. Then, type /social. And you will find social media block. Otherwise, you can also find it from the left side menu. Then, click the plus sign to add the social media icons. After that, provide the account links. You can also customize the orientation and the style of the icons. That's it. Update the changes. This way you can put the social media icons anywhere you want.